What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. As you can tell, we are going to be working on the 79 today. So this is the 79 here. I'm sure you've all seen it on the channel, social media, somewhere. But today we're going to be throwing some new shoes on her, at least trying to anyway. These are 44s. You think they'll fit? Do you think these monsters will fit on here? Oh yeah, we have plenty of clearance. We'll throw some spacers on there, call them good, spin this big one around. I think the flatbed, we could probably clear them. On the front fender, maybe another story. Flatbed, I think we'd have enough space right in between there, to clear them. Oh yeah, we have plenty of clearance. That up there might be another story. Like I said, we might be trimming a little bit. But either way, we will make them fit. No guys, I am totally joking. We are not throwing 44s on the Squarebody. Although it'd be really cool if I had like a 12-inch lift or something, and these are like 16 wides or something with some like 44-inch boggers. But yeah, no, there's no way in hell we're gonna be throwing these things on there. I don't even know if I put 15, 20 spacers on there, we'd still be able to turn this giant thing. Now the back, like I said, we could probably make work. I think. It'd be close. May rub a little bit if suspension hits, but oh well. But no, these are my buddy Chad's. Getting them cleaned up for him. He's getting ready to sell them. So I was like, why not make a little funny gag video with the 79? But no, these things are monstrous. These things weigh a bunch. Even if we did mount these on the 79, I don't know if it'd have enough crap in its pants to turn them. You look at like a 33 and you're like, man, that's a decent sized tire. And then you look at a 44 and you're like, oh my gosh. Even 35 and 37s look small compared to these ginormous things. But no, I want to talk to you guys real quick. As the new year rolls around, I am going to be starting to probably come out with new merch and stuff. I tried it a few years ago, didn't have the fan base like I do now. We're almost at 6,500 subscribers, so thank you everyone. But no, probably be doing a couple t-shirts that say like the GM man. My girlfriend, or fiance now, Shaylin, actually had a lady do like a retro style. I'll see if I can find a picture. If I can, I'll insert it. But a retro style, and then I might do a couple of like the trucker style hats, and then do like a leather patch where it says the GM man. So if you guys are interested in those, leave them down in the comments, say yes, no. Just give me some feedback. And then I also have some decals that I've had forever. So like this Squarebody Nation one, hashtag going for broke. I don't think I have any more on this. I don't know if I got one on the Chevy Cruze out here. I believe I do. Yeah, I got the learning as I do, doing what I love one on it. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too crazy. Hopefully you guys can see that, but that is my YouTube saying. So I have a couple decals, like I said, but as the new year comes, I'm gonna try and get my Shopify store back up and running, so you guys can support the channel, help me grow. But like I said, I want your guys' feedback. Let me know what you think of that. Hopefully I'll be getting another video of this thing soon. I've just been slammed with details this week and then trying to get everybody else's work done on their vehicles. COVID kind of screwed me over because I had some people scheduled at the beginning of the year that have now pushed back to this part of the, or now, this part, now. So it's just been crazy. I still have to do the steering upgrade on this thing. I'm trying to get all my odd and end pieces together. Like we have new fenders, we have the new doors. I'm missing a mirror for the new doors because they're like the big style tow mirrors. I eventually want to do a cowl hood this thing. I got to get some inner fenders yet. As you can tell, that's gone. And then up here's gone. So I do know I need to get cab mount support, obviously. I got inner and outer rockers. This door skin is gone. We won't worry about that because obviously we'll be putting new doors on it. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get a lot of this stuff knocked out here shortly. Because the 98's getting body work, lift kit, all that done now. I do need to get those fenders painted, which I have one over there and then one's outside. So I need to get those painted my dark blue and clear coated. I need to get the 98's bed down here, get it painted, underneath side coated, and a bed liner done. So we have plenty of content coming between the two trucks, but I do apologize. I've been so busy with everybody else's stuff trying to get it done. I've just been slammed. I know the Daninator and I have been talking about getting his truck down here and getting work on it, but I do apologize, Dan. I've been so busy with other people's stuff that it's unbelievable. So I'm trying to get as many projects as I can knocked out before the new year, so then we can start on some fun projects like this. I got to put a front bumper on this thing. As far as the 98 goes, I don't think there's going to be too much left to do on it. Might change up like the headlights and stuff on the 98. But the 79, how it sits now, is going to basically how it's going to sit till we start working on it. I'm not going to start putting like parts on it because if I mount the new doors, then I have to take the doors off to do the rockers, cab corners, floor pan, all that. So it's just going to be easier just to do it all at one time and then go from there. So we'll start like on the floor pan and cab supports, put those in, do the inner and outer rockers, do the cab corner, throw the new front fenders on it, and then throw the doors on it, and then that should be good until we paint it. As far as 2022 comes, we're gonna try and hit as many truck and car shows as possible. So if you guys have any suggestions on where you wanna see us, leave them down in the comments. When I do go to truck shows and stuff, I bring some merchandise like sunglasses. I have GM bracelets I typically give out for free just because they're pretty inexpensive to get made, and I like to kind of just, you guys come up and be like, hey, I watch your YouTube channel, oh, here you go, thanks for watching. One of those types of deals. But yeah, let me know which car show, truck show you guys are gonna go to or you wanna see us at. Remember, I am in Indiana, so if they're like California, probably won't be going. So, but anyway, guys, just want to do a little funny video there, kind of talk about the channel there. Stay tuned because we are, I promise, going to be working on this thing soon along with the 98. You just got to be patient with me because I'm trying to get everybody else's projects done. So that being said, if I got you with, you actually thought I was going to stick 44s on this thing, you got to give it a thumbs up. But anyway, remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM Man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Well, before I end the video, let's give you guys a little in-cab view of driving the 79. Give her a little pump. Now this might be a little hard with one hand, so I'd probably be swapping here and there with the camera, so just be patient. Yeah, see, these mirrors on these doors suck. They don't even work. Like that one, I'm looking at the bed rail, and this one, it just flaps in the wind. So there's that. Cool thing about it being a manual, you can basically just clutch it and use that as your brake instead of actually using the brake. So this is low, 1, 2, 3 in reverse, 4-speed or 3-speed with low, whatever you want to call it. If you guys actually want to see me do like a legit ride video, I'll have to get like my fiance or Jimmy or somebody to film. I would stick the GoPro, but the audio on the GoPro is not the greatest. I need to get the mic jack for it. So, but yeah, if you guys want to see me actually drive this thing like down the road or mud it or do whatever with it, let me know, because I think it'd be fun. As long as we don't break anything, because I've broken too much on this truck already. But, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.